Welcome back to GCPS Tech Tips. When you think of Google Slides, you probably think of presentations or slide decks. However, using a few tools in the Google Slides toolbar, you can go from creating static presentations to interactive activities. A tip that can be used to create interactives in Google Slides is the ability to hyperlink text, images, or shapes. Let's take a look at this diagram of an animal cell. We can highlight the text to hyperlink and then click the link icon in the toolbar to insert our link. However, let's say that you want the students to click on that portion of the cell and then be taken to a resource without having any text to link to. You can insert a shape and change the border and fill to transparent to create this effect. You can then select the shape and follow the same steps you did with the text to hyperlink. This last tip can help use multiple slides and small changes to create a stop motion effect. Here is an example from a physics class where students illustrate the concept of projectile motion using stop motion animation. Let's use this baseball slide as an example. You will want to duplicate the first slide and then make a small movement with the object that needs to show motion. Repeat this process until your motion is complete. Now review these slides to see the stop motion effect in action. Now you have a few tips and tricks in Google Slides that you can use to create engaging and interactive activities. The possibilities are endless, and you can go from simple presentations to interactive learning resources in no time. We will meet you back here next time on GCPS Tech Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe.